the cabin now, and we're getting ready for the going to gather up all the cows. And this is the Metzlers and Mark, and of course Gus. And they're getting a couple of the horses ready, and the other horses will be here soon, I think. There's Sean. It's coffee. So scary.
I have no idea. I have no idea what the plan is.
There's another one of the horse trailers, I think there. Oh, there's horses in there. Alright, here, we're getting the rest of the horses ready. Bailey, stay here. What do you think? Jamie, are you excited?
I'm very excited.
They're getting ready to pull the rest of them down there up there. Come here, Bailey. Yeah, Jake's mom just pulled up and Jake's grandma pulled up. It's really a family event. Here's Rayleigh riding the horse. There's a couple more horses. There's more over there.
If anybody can do it, you can.
Jamie! It's Jamie and her horse. Jake! Mom, here's Jake with horses. See, he can do it. He even saddled it up.
Stay quiet. Be very quiet. And there's the gate they're going towards. And Gentry is still by herself, so whose horse did she get?
Alright, we just got off the cattle drive, and here comes Jake walking up with a couple of our horses. Oh, this one's mine. I know, it was his. Say hi. Tip your hat, maybe. Oh, he's so cute. Here's everybody else getting off. Here's Jamie, back on the saddle again.
Not quite. My saddle hurts.
Oh, that was very graceful fall, though.
Didn't feel graceful.
Here's all the cow that we moved. All of these cows.
Tell him you just practice.
Just practicing.
Hold on. There you go. Oh, look at him. Ready ride. I think you look good in that hat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on, Ray. Look at Mommy, Ray. Where you get Grandpa?
He did do a lot of work. He had to carry me.
Thank you for not killing me. I'm too